안녕하세요, 여러분. Today we're gonna learn 5 useful Korean verbs from Blackpink interview 2020. Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyo. So today we're gonna learn 5 different Korean verbs and I'm gonna play each clip from this Blackpink interview. So let's get started. First one, 민망해. This is from a verb 민망하다, to be embarrassed. There is another equivalent verb you can use, 창피하다. They both mean feeling embarrassed. 민망해.
파인딩. 진짜.
Second verb, 너무해. I don't know if you're familiar with 너무. 너무 can be used by itself as an adverb, which is too much or very. 너무해. By adding 하다 verb, 너무하다, this becomes a new verb. 너무하다. This means to be too much, or it could be interpreted as to be unreasonable. You're being unreasonable. 너무해.
너무 미안해. 그럼 너무 말이 너무해.
The third one, 멋있었어. This is from a verb 멋있다. If we break it down, 멋 by itself, this means style. 멋. 있다 means to exist, or it can mean to have. You've got a style. 멋있다. This is interpreted as to be cool. 멋있어. You can use any subject now. It could be it is cool or she, he's cool. 그 남자 멋있어. The man is cool. 이 영화 진짜 멋있어요. This movie is very cool. This particular phrase, 멋있었어. This is conjugated to past tense. It was cool.
읽고 싶은 거 읽고. 뭐야? 멋있었어 방금.
The fourth one, 엄청 좋아해. 엄청, extremely. 엄청. 좋아해 is from a verb 좋아하다, to like. This is actually used with an object. In this context, object is omitted. When Korean people know what or who they're talking about, often they omit the object noun or even subject noun. So in this context, both of them are omitted. 엄청 좋아해. She extremely likes it. We don't know what they're talking about, but she extremely likes it. 엄청 좋아해. And I made a video about 좋아하다 versus 좋다 verb. If you want to find out the difference, click the I button and watch the video afterwards. And last verb, 아쉬워. This verb expresses mixed feelings, either to be sad, to be sorry, or to be disappointed about something. In English, those verbs can be applied in different situations, so that's why it's hard to explain what exactly the feeling this verb 아쉽다 associated to. But think about when you missed an opportunity or when something is short, then you can use 아쉽다. For example, if you're invited to a party and you really wanted to go, you had something else that came up. So you missed the opportunity to go to the party. 아쉽다. 정말 아쉬워요. I missed the opportunity. I'm sorry about the missing the opportunity. Another example, when you had an exam and you failed the test by 1 point. Something is on short, just 1 point difference. In that case, you can also use 아쉽다. Keep that in mind, this dictionary verb is 아쉽다. So you're gonna have to apply be irregular conjugation. 아쉬워.
2등을 달성했습니다. 와, 5초만 더 빨랐었는데 20분 20초인가? 진짜 아쉽다.
So let's recap about what we studied today. First one, 민망해. This is from 민망하다, to be embarrassed. second one, 너무해. This is from 너무하다, to be too much or to be unreasonable. The third one, 멋있었어. And dictionary form of this verb is 멋있다. Style exists is the direct translation, but you can interpret it as to be cool. The fourth one is 엄청 좋아해. So 엄청 extremely, 좋아하다 is the dictionary form. Like. The last one is 아쉬워. This is the dictionary form for this is 아쉽다. This verb is used to express some feelings about when you miss the opportunity or something is on short. Hopefully this video was useful to you. If you like this type of learning, make sure to give it a like and share this video with your friends and families. If you have any questions, comment down below. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.